Welcome to Modern Rustic, where creativity meets craftsmanship. If you have a passion for wood and a desire to infuse your home with a unique blend of rustic charm and modern style, you've come to the right place. This guide is packed with innovative woodcraft ideas that will inspire you to create beautiful decor pieces that enhance your living space. In an era where minimalism and functionality are key, the modern rustic aesthetic stands out by combining the warmth of natural materials with sleek, contemporary design. This style evokes a sense of comfort and tranquility, making it perfect for any home. Wood, with its rich textures and organic beauty, is the ideal medium for crafting decor that reflects both timeless appeal and modern sensibilities. The allure of modern rustic design. Modern rustic design captivates homeowners and decorators alike, combining the warmth of natural materials with contemporary aesthetics. This style evokes a sense of comfort while maintaining a sleek, polished look. Wood is at the heart of this approach, offering versatility that allows for a wide range of creative expressions. By embracing the imperfections and textures of wood, artisans can create pieces that resonate with both timeless beauty and modern sensibility. The role of woodworking in home decor. Woodworking plays a vital role in a modern rustic aesthetic, enabling creators to craft unique items that elevate any space. The process of woodworking is not merely about construction, it's about storytelling through materials. Each piece of wood carries its own history, and when transformed into a decorative item, it becomes a part of the narrative of your home. This connection to nature and craftsmanship enriches the decor, making it more meaningful. Crafting as a form of expression. Engaging in woodworking allows individuals to express their creativity and personal style. The act of transforming raw materials into functional art fosters a sense of accomplishment and pride. This creative outlet can be particularly therapeutic, providing a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. As you explore various woodworking techniques, you'll discover how to infuse your personality into each project, resulting in decor that feels authentic and uniquely yours. Sustainability in woodworking. Sustainability is a growing concern in today's world, and woodworking provides an excellent opportunity to embrace eco-friendly practices. By using reclaimed wood and other sustainable materials, craftsmen can create beautiful decor while minimizing their environmental impact. This commitment to sustainability resonates with a conscientious consumer base that values responsible sourcing and ethical craftsmanship. As more people seek eco-friendly choices, your woodworking projects can align with these values, attracting a wider audience. Marketing your wood crafts. With the rise of handmade and artisanal goods, marketing your wood crafts effectively is essential. Understanding your target audience and their preferences can significantly enhance your ability to sell your creations. Utilizing social media platforms to showcase your work allows you to reach potential customers and build a community around your craft. High-quality images, engaging stories about your process, and insights into your materials can all contribute to a compelling online presence. Building a brand around your craft. Creating a recognizable brand in the woodworking space can set you apart from competitors. Your brand should reflect your style, values, and the essence of your creations. Consistency in messaging, visual identity, and customer interaction will help establish trust and loyalty among your audience. As you develop your brand, remember that authenticity is key. Customers are drawn to genuine stories and connections that resonate with them. Leveraging online marketplaces. Online marketplaces have revolutionized the way artisans sell their crafts. Platforms such as Etsy and Shopify provide a ready-made audience eager to discover unique home decor items. By optimizing your listings with relevant keywords, high-quality photos, and clear descriptions, you can attract more visitors to your shop. Additionally, participating in online craft fairs and collaborations can further expand your reach and introduce your work to new customers. The therapeutic benefits of woodworking. Woodworking is not just a means of creating decor. It can also serve as a form of therapy. The focused nature of crafting allows you to immerse yourself in the process, promoting mindfulness and reducing stress. As you engage with the materials, the rhythmic motions of cutting, sanding, and assembling can become meditative. This therapeutic aspect of woodworking contributes to overall well-being, making it a fulfilling hobby or profession. The importance of skill development. As with any craft, honing your woodworking skills is essential for producing high-quality decor items. Investing time in learning new techniques, whether through online courses, workshops, or self-study, can significantly enhance your craftsmanship. The more proficient you become, the more intricate and varied your projects can be. Continuous skill development not only improves your work, but also boosts your confidence as a creator. Celebrating the journey of creation. The journey of creating woodcrafts is just as important as the final product. Each step, from selecting the wood to finishing touches, contributes to a rewarding experience. Celebrating this process allows you to cultivate a deeper appreciation for your craft and the materials you work with. By sharing your journey with others, you can inspire them to embark on their own creative paths, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. The future of woodworking. As trends in home decor evolve, the future of woodworking remains bright. The blend of modern aesthetics with rustic charm will continue to captivate homeowners seeking authenticity and warmth in their spaces. By staying informed about emerging trends and adapting your craft accordingly, you can ensure that your creations remain relevant and desirable. Embracing innovation while honoring traditional techniques will keep your woodworking journey exciting and fulfilling. If you're inspired by the blend of creativity and craftsmanship found in modern rustic woodworking, we invite you to subscribe to our community. By joining us, you'll gain access to exclusive tips, project ideas, and insights into the business of woodworking. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, your journey into the world of handmade decor will be enriched by connecting with like-minded individuals. Don't forget to like and share our content with fellow wood enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty and functionality of crafted items. Together, we can celebrate the art of woodworking and inspire a new generation of creators in the modern rustic movement.